Crusade, crusade, crusade. Hand of God Church of all nations presents Bando Apostolic Invasion with the team. The Lord will give you a new name. Day Thursday 11 through Saturday 13th of April 2024. Venue St. Michael's School Park, Aloy Park, Bando, Ghana. Time 6 p.m. daily. There will be one-on-one with the man of God Apostle Victor Mbati on the 13th of April 2024. Time 8 a.m. Thursday the 11th and Friday the 12th of April 2024 is gonna be prophetic, healing and deliverance with your host Apostle Victor Mbati. For inquiry, please call +233 244 151 563 or +233 507 223 727 or +233 244 646 994. God will give you a new name in this season. Don't miss it. Be there.